Welcome back everybody to doing more stuff with the blend if function. So what did I start with? I started with this picture of ivy. I turned it into a black and white image, and then what I did is I kind of stretched it to fit the image underneath, which is a portrait of this woman. And what I want to do is I want to reveal the portrait of the woman in the leaves. So the best way we're going to do this is with blend if. Let's double click on what I have renamed to be this layer. And that brings up this dialog box here, the layer style, and here's where we're going to be doing our work in the blend if section. I don't want to choose red, green, or blue, either one of those channels, because I'm working with grayscale images. And what I want to do is I want to make the leaves disappear, and I want to, on this layer, and I want to reveal the images underneath them on the underlying layer. So what I'm going to do is choose the dark ones, and I'm going to begin dragging up here. Now, one thing I did first, I want to check out, and I want to just cancel that for a second. I want to come back in here and show you something, and that is I want to find out what is the value of this, what the value is of this darkest area right in here. So I'll click on there, and you can see the RGB values are all the same as they should be, and they're 19, so that's quite dark. If you get up to a white area, conversely, they're up at 255, and that means just white, white, white. So the darkest I can find in here is about here, and we're hitting at about 19. Okay, let's go back. Keep that number in mind, 19. And I'm going to drag this up, and I'm going to keep an eye on this darkest area. That should begin to be revealed first. And I'm going to drag it up here, and there they go. They're starting to come in just when I'm getting around my magic number of 19 right here, roughly. This is where they're coming in. So what you're saying when you use blend if is all the pixels of this tonal value and below, make them disappear and reveal what's underneath. So as I drag farther to the right, I'm taking pixels of tonal value that are lighter and lighter and lighter on this layer, which is the ivy leaves layer, and revealing what's underneath. So all I have to do is simply drag up here, and they begin to disappear. The last ones to disappear, you can see, are the ones on the right, and that is because they are the lightest ones. And I can guarantee you, if you take a look right in here, I'm hitting it about 126. I guarantee you that if I went back and looked at that color picker and clicked in right in there, I would get about 126, which is getting lighter and lighter and lighter. So now I can come all the way up here. I can go pretty far because that background is almost 255 white. So I can come all the way up here, and I'm done. Very easy, very quick using blend if. Thanks a lot for watching, guys, and we'll see you next time.